Keeping your smile bright, the importance of cleaning between teeth. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language and its many expressions. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that's not just important for your English learning journey but also for your daily life: clean between teeth. Understanding this phrase is not only about language, it's about maintaining a healthy smile. So, let's get into it and find out why cleaning between your teeth is something we should all be talking about. When we say, clean between teeth, we're talking about the process of removing food particles, plaque, and bacteria from the spaces between your teeth. These are areas where your regular toothbrush might not reach effectively. Cleaning between your teeth is crucial for oral hygiene and preventing dental problems. Why is it important? Prevents gum disease. Plaque buildup can lead to gum disease, which is preventable with proper dental care. Reduces the risk of tooth decay. By removing the bits of food and plaque, you're less likely to develop cavities. Freshens breath. Eliminating trapped food particles and bacteria can help keep your breath fresh. Cleaning between your teeth can be done in several ways, each important for maintaining oral health. Let's look at the most common methods. Dental floss. The traditional and widely recommended method is using dental floss. It involves threading a piece of floss between your teeth and gently scraping up and down the sides of each tooth. Interdental brushes. These are tiny brushes designed to clean between your teeth. They are especially useful for those with wider gaps between their teeth or for people wearing braces. Water flossers. A more modern approach involves using a water flosser, which shoots a stream of water to dislodge food particles and plaque between teeth. It's an effective alternative for those who find traditional flossing challenging. To make the most out of cleaning between your teeth, here are some helpful tips. Be gentle. Avoid snapping the floss or pushing too hard with brushes to prevent damaging your gums. Be regular. Make cleaning between your teeth a part of your daily oral hygiene routine. Choose the right tool. Depending on the spacing of your teeth and your personal preference, find the tool that works best for you. We hope this video has shed some light on the importance of the phrase, clean between teeth, and why it's such a critical part of your daily hygiene routine. Remember, taking care of your mouth is not just about keeping your smile bright. It's about maintaining your overall health. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the English language and its practical applications in our lives. Until next time, keep smiling, and keep learning.